Well, thank you so much for having me here. He's right, actually. With fashion shows, generally you associate very serious faces, a lot of attitude. But this time it was with kids, a lot of fun, with attitude. And, my son, he loves these two brands in particular, Diesel and Hamleys. So I guess I can say that it was a dream come true for him at this age. He's only 6 right now. And for me too, I think they're the two brilliant brands. I was here to support my son for two reasons. Either he would just probably dart to the elevator and get out of the fire exit, or the other one was that he might not leave the stage. So either two probabilities with my son because he loves the limelight and the stage. So it was fun. It was very nice, and yeah, thank you for having me and Ayan. Thank you so much. Oh, it was great. This is my first walk actually for Lakme Fashion Week, and it definitely is going to be one of my best. It will be the best and very special because it's with my son. And yeah, it's again coming back to Hamleys as a brand. Firstly, for my son, if he gets into that store, he wants to buy the whole store. So I was like, Dad doesn't have so much money just yet. So that was one of the reasons he came here. And he loves diesel jeans. So whenever we go abroad, we just went to LA right now. We got a bag full of jeans for him and t-shirts. So he was very happy. Oh, these two brands, I love Diesel and Hamleys. So that's why he was here. And for me too. Hamleys is a brand I go back in memory when I went my first trip to London. I went in the store, in Hamleys store, and it was very difficult for me to get out. My parents had to literally drag me out. And 30 years later, I was doing the same thing with my son. So yeah, it's a proud moment. स्टाइल मेरे लिए जो भी आई थिंक कंफर्टेबल होता है उस किस्म के कपड़े पहनता हूँ एंड वेदर के हिसाब से पहनता हूँ आई वुडंट वेयर लाइक अ थ्री पीस सूट इन 38 degrees and it's if you would find me jeans and t-shirts generally I'm more of a jeans and t-shirts kind of guy.